What's going on, guys? Corey's Trains Vlogs here. Today I'm at Coomera Station and we have Rihanna's Trains Vlogs right beside me.
The Platform 2 is the balloon train stopping all stations.
We have a balloon train. Oh, hey! It's that model.
SMU.
I actually think you might be right. So if I get it right every other time. Put that on. Oh, you look different with that on. Where's Toby in the car?
Yeah, I don't want him to get wet.
Yeah.
The Gold Coast train stopping all stations will arrive on platform 1 in approximately
Arriving in...
minutes. Please wait behind the yellow safety line until the train has stopped.
Arriving into platform 2, we have SMU 281. Good job, Rihanna. And the rear half is SMU 282. They're sister sets. If they say 281 and 282, it means they're sisters. Oh, man. Having fun?
Yeah.
The train arriving on platform 1 is the Gold
Departing
Coast
platform
train
2 is
stopping all stations.
SMU's 281 and 282 for an all station service to Badu. And as this train departs, we have a Gold Coast train arriving into platform number 1. I'm gonna head over to that side and get the other train in.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if we can see him. Oh, yep, there he is. Oh, it's the Aboriginal one. Have you seen one of them? You haven't?
Nah.
Well, there you go. See what I mean by the Aboriginal one?
Yeah.
NGR 705. This is one of the newest ones. NGR 705 now departing for an all-station service to the Gold Coast. Oh! That was my neck. Catch you later, alligator in the wild crocodile. Dang, he is speeding. Look at him. Arriving into platform 1, we have a Gold Coast train. It is an NGR. Here it comes. Can you see it? Oh, sorry, darling.
Alright.
I didn't mean to hit you. Can you see the train?
Oh.
So as this train pulls in, I'm going to keep mine rolling because we'll have another one coming from down that way. Right, we have NGR 750. What a catch, huh? Gold Coast train 750 now NGR service 750 now departing for a Gold Coast service. And as this train departs, we have a
Train stopping all stations will arrive on platform 2 in approximately 2 minutes. Please wait behind the yellow station line until the train has stopped.
Did the boat just crash land into the roof?
Ouch.
Okay. Rihanna is now leaving, guys. As she leaves, arriving in the platform 2, platform 1 is NGR 762.
The train arriving on platform 2 is the train stopping all stations.
Bye, Rihanna.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
NGR 705. Yeah, 705.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
NGR 705 now departing platform 2 for a Balloon service. I am going to film a couple more trains here, guys, and then I will be heading home. We have a double-decker bus over there.
Unfortunately, and we do strongly recommend that you plan your journey in advance at translink.com.au via the journey planner.
The train arriving on platform 1 is the Gold Coast train stopping all stations.
Arriving into platform 1, we have a Gold Coast train. It's another NGR. NGR 746 is the Gold Coast service. Gold Coast train 746 now departing for an all-station service to Varsity Lakes.
Train stopping all stations.
Arriving in the platform 2, we have a balloon service. I think Rihanna's coming back. I am not too sure. She has just gotten into an argument with one of the carers. I'm assuming it's the one that picked her up from here. And she's just gone on the run. The carers have asked me to keep my eyes open. So I was about to head home on this train. But since Rihanna has now done a runner, I'm going to have no choice but to stay in case she turns up here. This is the return of NGR 750. Oh shit, my thumb. NGR 750 now departing for an all-station service to Benoon. Rihanna has just left her house, so I'm going to have to stay here in case she turns up here. So, I have just been informed by Rihanna's... Well, okay, that's a lie, but... Rihanna has just told me she's just done a runner. I am not happy with her. I'll be having words with her if I do see her here. I was planning on taking the next train home, but now I can't. Because apparently, she says she's coming here to see me. So, yeah, but anyway, we have a Gold Coast train due in approximately 2 minutes.
Gold Coast train stopping all stations.
If this is the train I think it is, it should be the return of SMU's 281, 282. Yes, it is. 281, 282. And I am not happy with Rihanna one bit. Yes, it is. 282. No, I'm recording trains. SMU 281 and 282 is now departing for a Gold Coast service. We have a Benoon train now arriving in the platform number 2. It is another NGR. And yeah, 762. Gold Coast train now departing. Sorry, Balloon train now departing platform 2. Anyway guys, Rihanna's not going to get here till 3, so yeah. Anyway guys, I am going to end the video now. Thank you for choosing Corey's Trains Vlogs. I am 5 subscribers away from hitting the big 200 subscribers. So if you guys could really help me out with that, that would actually mean a lot to me. I'm going to end the video now. And like and subscribe to the channel, favorite the video, and I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye for now.